Even in 2021, the AirPods Pros are still the best wireless earphones on the market, even when compared to rival earphones. I'll explain why in this video. Now, the AirPods Pros don't have the best noise cancellation. They don't have the best bass. It doesn't have the best battery life. And it still uses an Apple Lightning for charging. So why are these earphones the best? Because it offers so many features and still manages to stay balanced. One of the main problems with wireless earphones today is that they focus too much on one thing, that they forget to even it out on the other side. Let's take the Sony WF-1000 MX4s for an example. It has phenomenal noise cancellation, it has powerful bass, and has a very long-lasting battery life, but they don't even it out. While focusing on noise cancellation, they jeopardize the transparency mode on it, or should I say ambient sound. They focused so much on bass that the treble became quite weak. And lastly, with all that extended battery life, creates a lot of weight on the earphone itself. With the AirPods Pros, they managed to have good noise cancellation as well as good transparency mode. They managed to execute a strong enough bass as well as having a good treble, and they still have a reasonably long-lasting battery life, without the weight disturbance in your ears. Now, just to get something straight, the noise cancelling, bass, and battery life on the AirPods Pros are still pretty good. It's just not the best. The AirPods Pros may be balanced, but it's not just the balance that makes it so good. It's also the fact that it offers so many features. This includes spatial audio, pinch control features, noise cancellation, transparency mode, and wireless charging on the case. Let's take the Galaxy Buds 2 for an example. These would be quite decent earphones if they didn't lack in features. They have fairly good audio quality, offers noise cancellation, offers transparency mode, or ambient sound if you like to call it, and has wireless charging. But that's pretty much where it stops, because it doesn't have any exclusive features, or have a good design for workouts or touch control for that matter. And don't get me started with the Sennheiser ZXs. They don't even have noise cancellation, transparency mode, exclusive features, or wireless charging, even if they probably have the best audio quality on the market. Now, just to establish something, the spatial audio feature on the AirPods Pros wins over any other wireless earphone, because it's a whole nother level of listening, and you can't go back. Quite recently, spatial audio has been introduced into Apple Music and other streaming apps including Netflix. One last point to why AirPods Pros is still the best is the fact that all aspects to it are top notch. Take the Beats wireless earphones. They offer noise cancellation and transparency mode, they're fairly balanced, and have a great design, and have a USB-C charging port. The only problem with all these aspects is that they aren't actually that good. The bass and treble are quite weak on it, as well as the noise cancellation and transparency mode for that matter. So even having the AirPods Pros released in 2019, it's still able to overthrow any other wireless earphones. So that's everything. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you later.